Hello again. In this video of Maths with Yongmin, a Wiser Brighter series, you will find out how to use vertical addition. So what is vertical addition? Vertical addition is when you put the equation in two or more rows. Each number is in its own row, and each digit is in its own column. So how do you complete vertical addition? To complete vertical addition, you have to follow the following steps. Step 1. Write down the first number of the equation. Step 2. Write the second number of the equation. If there are any other numbers in the equation, repeat this step until all the numbers have been written down. Each number has to be underneath each other. Step 3. Then write the plus symbol next to the final number. Step 4. Next, draw a line underneath the last number. Step 5. Finally, add up the digits in a column. Remember, when two or more digits add up to 10 or more, you put the number of tens on top of the next top number and put the second digit in the correct column. Then, add the tens digit with the other number's digit. Now you try. Pause this video to figure out the answers of the two equations, 28 plus 42 or 52 plus 45. Have fun! Did you get the answers right? 28 plus 42 equals 70. And 52 plus 45 equals 97. Let's review by completing this activity. Complete this activity on vertical addition. Scan the QR code on the next page to be able to complete it, or you can click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.